Well, South Africa has been focusing on the epicentre of the cholera outbreak in the country, Hammanskraal in Gauteng. But humanitarian organisation Gift of the Givers now says it's concerned about underreported cases of cholera in the Free State. Hospitals in Gauteng and the Free State have reported more than 600 patients have shown symptoms of cholera. The death toll currently stands at 29 in Gauteng, 2 in the Free State, 1 in Mpumalanga, so a total of 32 people. To discuss, we're joined by the Gauteng Communication Liason Officer for the Gift of the Givers, Clifford Mabe. Mr. Mabe, thank you for being with us. How did you come to this belief that the numbers in the Free State specifically are being underreported?
Good evening to the viewers. We were dispatched last week Thursday to Frederick because we were still in Hammanskraal. We got a call from one of the communities, and then they're complaining about water and stomach cramps and diarrhea. And then we did activate our team on Thursday last week, and we came with bottles of water and rehydrating sachets. And on the ground, the people were complaining that they're having diarrhea and stomach cramps, where is symptoms of cholera.
All right, but you're saying that the actual death toll is being underreported. I understand that Gift of the Givers is saying 10 people have died in Frederick. I think that's the area you're talking about, but the official death toll is much lower.
Yes. So we were on the ground, we were doing assessment on the ground and speaking to the families. People were saying that they lost their loved ones due to diarrhea and stomach cramps.
All right. Are you willing to put a bet on a figure then? Do you know exactly to what extent the underreporting is happening there or elsewhere?
At the moment, we don't have a correct figure because people are complaining with the stomach cramps, with the diarrhea, and people are keep on passing on. So we still don't know what is the correct number of the deceased in Frederick, but people are continuing to die with diarrhea and stomach cramps. And they're still complaining with water taps. And
if they're dying, are they going to a hospital? Then it should be reported officially, or did people say there was some dying in their homes? What's the situation?
Okay, we're busy interviewing people. They're saying they're going to the clinic and then they're referring to the hospitals, and then they pass on. But you know, people, they can just they don't want to appear on TV on records. But people are speaking on the ground, and there's funerals everywhere in Frederick with the same thing of diarrhea and stomach cramps. So that's why we're treating we bring the water bottles in Frederick. Today we did about 2,000 water bottles in Frederick and rehydration sachets for the community of Frederick.
If you're right, then why is this happening? We will speak to the health department. Do you believe that they're just missing things, or is there some sort of cover-up here?
I'm not sure, ma'am, but we need to help our people until we get the solution for this.
All right, what are you experiencing before we let you go on the ground? So you're saying a lot of people complaining in the Frederick area in the Free State and saying that they know loved ones who've died of diarrhea. As far as I understand, we don't know the source of the Hammanskraal outbreak. Do people in Frederick know where the cholera could be coming from?
They're still panicking with water. That's why we strictly bring the still bottled water for them.
And if you don't know the source, it's hard to protect yourself, right? So you're giving them water, yes, and you can guarantee that it's safe.
Yes, it's still bottled water and rehydration sachet for them.
All right, thank you. That was Clifford Mabe from Gift of the Givers from Gauteng.